Hey guys, so some people have asked me in my DM if having a refusal from previous visa application either to the United Kingdom, the US, Canada or anywhere else in the world can affect their visa success chances. And I say no. I say no because over the years that I've been putting in application for people, I've had people who had refusals even for study permits in the UK. I had a client last year who had a refusal visa. It was refused visa for a short course in the UK, and he still applied for study permits to study for his master's this January, and he has come in because he got his visa, of course. So yes, the fact that you've gotten a visa refusal in the past, whether in the US, in Australia, in Canada, even in the UK, doesn't mean that you'll be refused this new visa. Of course, when you're applying for your applications at some schools would refuse your study abroad application because of your visa refusal, but don't let that deter you. Apply to other schools who wouldn't refuse you just because you've declared your refusal. But what is very important is when you put in your application, ensure to be truthful. Don't misrepresent any information, don't lie, don't try to be fraudulent, because all of these are on records. Just know that the UK government does not discriminate against you because you've had a refusal in the past, whether at the Home Office in the UK or anywhere else, in fact. So be truthful. Do not misrepresent anything. Do not put in any false document or be fraudulent, and your visa application will definitely be successful. I hope this helps you.